Migration and transfer from on-premises data centers to the cloud can be a daunting and challenging task. AWS offers a wide range of migration tools, services, guidance, and programs to help customers assess, migrate, and modernize applications and data, from building the business case to leveraging AWS services to deliver new experiences. Customers can choose from industry-leading free resources like assessments, AWS professional services, and more than 170 certified AWS migration competency partners to guide their migration and modernization journey. The approach to migrating and modernizing drives real and measurable outcomes for the customers across cost savings, staff productivity, operational resilience, and business agility. There are many advantages that an organization can experience by migrating and transferring on-premises data centers to the AWS cloud. Let's briefly talk about significant benefits offered by AWS for your organization. You can improve scale, security, and performance of your organization. Demands of your business can vary for various reasons with time and season, both locally and globally. Your applications need infrastructure that can scale with the demands of your business. To address this problem, choose AWS to realize increased performance, security, and reliability with the largest global infrastructure footprint. AWS is built keeping security and reliability at the heart of the design. You can kickstart innovation and agility in your business process. AWS offers many services in various levels on demand and does not need you to invest in advance. Migrating to AWS opens opportunities for you to rethink how you build and deliver software. You can leverage 200 plus cloud-native services from AWS to modernize your development, operations, applications, data, and more. Many of these services are purpose-built and fully managed by AWS. As a result, you can focus more on your business operations. You can drive cost savings for your business. AWS offers pay-as-you-go pricing model and highly scalable environment. As a result, shifting your IT infrastructure and software licensing to AWS helps you break free from the upgrade and refresh cycle. This enables you to optimize and right-size licensing and infrastructure for your applications with AWS. You can differentiate with your data. AWS offers 200 plus services covering almost all business areas. Many of these services are designed and built on purpose. What you do with applications and data in the cloud is where digital transformation begins. You can use industry-leading AI, data, and analytics from AWS to use your data to drive differentiation in your business. As a result, you get more control on your business operations and outcomes. Finally, statistics shows that organizations who migrated to AWS cloud from their on-premises data centers gained significant improvements as follows: 47% infrastructure cost savings, 43% lower time to market for new features, 45% fewer security-related incidents, and 77% reduction in licenses required.